Dedicate this next song to all the guys in the room. 'Cause sometimes a man's gotta do what a man has got to do. So ladies, if you're offended by the time this song is through, just remember one thing: we didn't write this one for you. Poker night, fishing lines, camping and a hunting, shooting stuff, dipping stuff, scratching and cussing, fast cars, NASCAR, any kind of sports bar, football, baseball, rock and rolling like guitars. Friday night, bragging rights, fighting over nothing, honky-tonkin' knee, walking after chug-a-lugging, cigar smoke, telling jokes, the dirtier the better. Our favorite thing to do is spell with 4 letters. This song is all about us, so raise your glasses up. We're loud and proud and we like it that way. We're born like this and we can't change. So come on boys, let's drink it till the last drop's gone. To the guy song. 4-wheelers, 4-wheel drives, tater guns and jet skis, Home Depot 2x4, whaling and wheeling, barbecue, beef jerky, pickled eggs and pork rinds, mud wrestling, BS and rodeos and moonshine, HD plasma screen, great big speakers, girl next door, Hooters, girls, college cheerleaders, beer cans, long necks, a woman in a short dress, real ones, fake ones, they're the ones we like the best. This song is all about us, so raise your glasses up. We're loud and proud and we like it that way. Testosterone pumping through our veins. So come on boys, let's drink until the last drop's gone. To the guy song. Cow tipping, channel flipping, Xbox and PlayStation, gun racks, ball caps, classic Harley Davidsons, Rambo, Sopranos, Goodfellas, Scarface, Eastwood, Earnhardt, Elvis and John Wayne. This song is all about us, so raise your glasses up. We're loud and proud and we like it that way. Testosterone pumping through our veins. So come on boys, let's drink until the last drop's gone. To the guy song. To the guy song. This here's a guy song. This here's a guy song. How about the guy song? How about the guy song?
¡Bravo! ¡Bravo!
Guns N'
Bravo.
Roses!
Fantàstic.